Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to be unboxing the MetaQuest 3S.
Yay!
128 gigabytes, comes with Batman Arkham Shadow. So I'm gonna get the peels in the video. Here you go. Hold on 1 second. Oh yeah, that was good. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, so we're gonna do this and take it out of the box. So this is the packaging it came in, but this is the box. Okay, so we got this right here. You gotta pull it up like this. Here. Oh. We got the Quest. Okay, so we got the controllers right here. Here, I'll get this pulled. That was a good one. That was pulled.
Wait.
It's not a MetaQuest 2, I promise. Okay, so we got the controllers. They feel pretty nice. And then we got the big mama. We got the beautiful Quest. Okay, so I'm going to take out this thing for the glasses spacers. And then, so it says, no sunlight on lenses, right here. Here, you may not be able to really get a good view on it, but, oh yeah, that was a nice peel. And then we got the other one that says, no liquid on lenses. Well, no liquid cleaners. Okay, so we got that. Now we got the Quest. I'm going to put it on. I'm not going to turn it on, though.
You want to try it?
Oh, I need to tighten it.
Can I try it after?
Yes, you will. Right.
You look goofy on it.
Okay. So it's nice and tight, so it'll be snug on my face. And you don't really see a lot of light leaking in. It's like a little bit, but
you might
not that
get
much.
a red mark around your head.
Okay, now.
Can I try it then?
Yeah, he could try it on. But it's a MetaQuest 3S. It's pretty expensive, so.
I can't see anything. Oh, now I can.
Okay, I'm going to just. Should I turn it on? I don't know.
No, please.
Okay, guys, this is the MetaQuest 3S. Let me just show you like the contents in the box. And yes, I am shaking like crazy right now because I am so excited. So we got the glasses spacers right here. Let me just
I don't know how to hold
take this out. So we got the glasses spacers. Let me put them on and see if they, even though I don't wear glasses, I don't know how to take this thing, the facial interface off. Leave a comment below if I turn comments on for this video, how to turn on the facial take off the facial interface.
And can I try something?
Because I don't know how to do it.
Can I put it on again?
Yes. So it has pass-through mode. We got the charging brick right here. Hold on.
Who turned off the lights?
So we got this. So I'm gonna get a peel. We got the charging brick.
That did not sound good.
And then we got the actual cord itself. So yeah. So we're gonna, this is a very short cord, so we're gonna need an extension. So we got a cord. And then we got the Quest controllers. Hold on. I don't know how to hold them because I've never used a Quest. Well, I have, but never a Quest 3S. So I think this is how you use them.
That's not how I was trying to use them.
So you just like squeeze. This is how you would squeeze.
And
Also,
here's the
like-
Big Mama.
So yeah, I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put this and put the quest in the thing. So yeah, guys, that was the MetaQuest 3S.
I hope
and
you liked the
hope
video.
you liked the video, and see ya. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.